Find the sum of the first 25 terms of the sequence 3, 10, 17, 24, 31, and so on. Now this problem is an example for the item numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5 of the activity sheet number 4. Now since we are looking for the sum of an arithmetic sequence, then the formula that we are going to use is this, okay, which is the S sub n equals n over 2 times the a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now to use this formula, we only need the values of n, which is the number of terms, the a sub 1, which is the first term, and then the a sub n, which is the last term. Now, if in case any of these variables is missing, then we will go back to the formula of the arithmetic sequence just to find the value of that missing variable. Okay? So to start solving this problem, the first thing that you're going to do is to identify what are the given of this problem. Okay, so let's identify what are the given. Let's start with the a sub 1, or the first term. What is the first term of this sequence? It is 3. Okay, so the a sub 1 is positive 3. What about the a sub n? Do we know the a sub n of this sequence? Do we know the last term? No, we do not know the last term. So therefore, a sub n is still unknown. What about the number of terms? Do we know the number of terms of this sequence? Yes, it is 25 terms. Okay? So yung n natin is 25. Now, as I have said kanina, if in case one of these variables is missing, then we will go back to the arithmetic sequence just to find the value of that missing variable. Okay? Which in this case is the a sub n. Okay? So that means we are going to make use of this formula first just to find the value of a sub n. Okay? So let's find the value of a sub n using now this formula. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the d times n minus 1. Okay? So again, we are looking for the a sub n. Or since we know how many terms are there on that sequence, which is 25 terms, so that means we are looking for the a sub 25. Okay? So we are looking for the a sub 25 equals, what is our first term? That is 3 plus, what about the d? The d is the common difference, the value that we add on this sequence. So what is the pattern? It's plus 7, plus 7, plus 7, plus 7, right? So therefore, the common difference here is 7. Okay? Times, what is our n? It's 25. So we have 25 minus 1. And then simplify, we have 3. Just copy first 3 and then multiply. Oh no, subtract 25 minus 1, that's 24. Just copy first 7 times 24. Now what is 7 times 24? That is 168. So we have 3 plus 168. Now what is 3 plus 168? That is 171. Okay? So therefore, the a sub 25 or the a sub n here is 171. Now, this is not our final answer, okay? This is just the value of a sub n here, okay? So we now have the value of the a sub n, which is 171. Now, we can make use of this formula now to find the sum of the first 25 terms, okay? So let us now use this formula, which is S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Okay? So again, question, how many terms are we dealing with in this problem? It's 25. So we are looking for the sum of the first 25 terms. So S sub 25, okay? Equals, yung n natin is, what's the value? It's 25. So we have 25 over 2 times, yung a sub 1 natin is, that's 3. Plus, yung a sub n natin is 171. Okay? Now, pwede natin divide yung 25 over 2. That is 12.5. Tama? And then, multiplied by the sum of this. What is 3 plus 171? That's 174. Okay? And then, 12.5 times 174. That is 2,175. So, therefore, the sum of the first 25 terms of this sequence is equal to 2,175.